Hi everybody, Thomas here from my channel, and well, I want to talk a little bit. First of all, I wish you a happy new year, of course, and then I would like to talk about the future of the channel or what's going on in 2026 and beyond. And one of the reasons why I want to share this video here with you is also a little bit my coding part I did. Well, for those of you who are not coding, don't worry, I will just talk about the coding part at the very end. One thing is very important for me. I want to provide 3 different sections here on my channel, and I will put them also in the playlist without any, projects or so. Really straightforward. One part will be about lectures or space in general, space science in general. So everybody who's just interested in space science and wants to learn something, some random topics or so about it, maybe learning about concepts or so, just watch the videos and also the playlist that will spawn soon. Now, for those of you who are also a little bit into software, I will also make another deep dive using, for example, Universe Sandbox or also other tools where we can have a look at different concepts and also play around there a little bit. This will not always be 100% open source. I will use Universe Sandbox and other tools, but I think these tools also help in a video to learn things. And the very last thing, I would like to switch now to my GitHub repository. And this is the GitHub repository. For those of you who are not aware of coding or so, I started my codes 5 years ago, or 4.5 years ago. It's really crazy. And this thing grew organically. It's a little bit chaotic, a little bit, I have to say. We have here some folders and subfolders, and some parts we don't have folders, only the file itself. And yeah, these things, they grew organically. It's to be honest, it's really chaotic. I'm not very happy about it, and I was wondering how to reshape everything. I asked also the community on Reddit, and they gave me some helpful insights. And the main conclusion is basically to leave the repository as it is and start a new one with a clear, dedicated structure, how the Python, the coding part, will look like. Now, this is the new repository, and I would kindly ask those of you who are into coding or like to support me to click here on the star button to get all the most recent updates, beside, of course, subscribing to my channel to see what kind of code is being uploaded. Now, the structure is a little bit different than before, because before, as you see here, I have subfolders, I have databases and what have you. And I thought, well, this is a little bit too complex for a beginners or space science beginners YouTube channel. So the structure will be a little bit different. What I will do is I will organize everything in folders by time. So the time will be like the year, for example, 2026. And there I will put the code that I will create during this year in the corresponding folder. And everything will be executable in Google Colab. And as long as Google Colab exists, I would suggest to leave it also as it is. If you are advanced in Python, of course, then you may know how to set up a local environment. If you think, hey, I would still like to have a local environment, then just leave a comment and we will set these things up together. However, the code itself, there will also be smaller parts. Yeah, sometimes, maybe occasionally I have bigger projects or so, or I will split them in smaller parts. But I think the most important thing is to learn a little bit with the video itself, and then 1 or 2 or 3 days later, I will upload the code accordingly. So the code will be then, the link will be updated then in the YouTube description, and in the code I will also put the link to my YouTube video. And this will also be in a Jupyter Notebook format. So this is all the update, just a small wrap up. So again, there will be space science lectures, for those of you who would like to have the high level part and understand the science. Then we have also some parts using software, with no coding part, but having some simulation deep dive, and the coding part for those of you who are into coding. But don't worry, this is also, I would say, beginner friendly. If you are interested in all 3 things, well, then I'm also happy to hear that. Just leave me a comment or so what you would like to see. But I want to have this very clear structure in 2026, because I had the very unwell feeling that my channel is drifting into too many directions, and I wanted to streamline everything. Anyway, I wish you a nice start in the year 2026. And I hope you enjoy my channel, still enjoy it, the small channel here with the small community of, I think, around 3,900 people now. Thanks everybody for subscribing, and spread the word, support my channel a little bit if you like, and until next time.